Making money on YouTube without showing your face is nothing new. Many channels make a lot of money by getting hundreds of thousands of views without showing their faces. You can too. It is possible with a few tweaks here and there. And we're going to show you exactly how to make no-face videos and make tons of money online. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 8. Find your favorite niche. Of course, before you can start making any YouTube videos, you have to have a specific niche that you want to create content on. You can't just wake up one day and decide that you're going to start making YouTube videos, then go ahead and talk about anything and everything under the sun. But what is a YouTube niche? A niche is the category or subcategory of topics that creators base their content on. For example, you cannot create cooking and gaming videos from the same channel. This is because the Google algorithm gets confused about what your channel is all about, which makes it difficult for them to help promote your channel to the right audience. Simply put, the YouTube algorithm is one or more robots that help to find the right videos and push them to the right viewers. Having a niche allows you to have a target audience that can help you grow your YouTube channel even without showing your face. Examples of niches that you can make money on without showing your face include gaming, screen recording, point of view or POV videos, health, fitness, luxury, finance, top 10, among others. Many YouTube experts recommend that you concentrate on a single niche per channel to help your channel be recognized by interested viewers. Number 7. Find the best keywords for your videos. Now that you have your niche of choice, you need to find the best keywords that are likely to bring you a lot of views. YouTube keywords are terms that help your videos rank in search results. They also help you understand the type of content you're creating and who your target audience is. If you want to find the best keywords, the first thing to do is search for no-face topics in your niche that are popular on YouTube. For example, if you're in the beauty niche, find popular videos in a similar niche and see how they have written their titles, descriptions, and tags. This can give you an idea of the kind of topics that are blowing up that don't need you to show your face. After you get an idea of the keywords that you are likely to use, you can use free tools such as vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find out how those keywords are ranking. If you go to vidIQ and input the title in the keyword search bar, you find how it's ranking, and what's more, they give you more trending videos related to the search term. You can sign up for a vidIQ account and get a Chrome extension that makes it easier for you to see stats in real time when you click on a YouTube video. The goal is to search for high search volume and low competition keywords that can help you make popular videos and earn money without showing your face. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused, because the following ideas are going to be a game changer for you. Number 6. Record no-face videos. Making videos without showing your face doesn't have to be an impossible task. After choosing your niche and topic, you can now start creating your videos. Whatever method you choose to create your videos, it is important to have professional-looking videos that are going to attract many viewers. For example, many gamers use screen recording as a way of creating videos. They use screen recording software such as Camtasia to create videos, and we all know how popular gaming videos are. Camtasia is a screen recording tool that helps users to create, edit, and share their videos. You can record product demos, tutorials, and so on. This allows you to make great videos that your viewers love without showing your face. You can earn money from this idea and create amazing videos. All it takes is having one of your videos blow up, and YouTube promotes your other videos to your target audience, which improves your watch time and earnings. Number 5. Make videos with video editing tools. A video editor is a tool that cuts your video creating work in half. This allows you to make videos in the shortest time possible, helps you edit, sync, preview, and download your videos. Making videos without showing your face doesn't have to be complicated. Using a video editor simplifies it. Many video editors have free and premium versions, and when you're starting, you can take advantage of the free versions to get your YouTube videos up. Tools such as InVideo, OpenShot, among others, are easy to use and don't need you to have advanced tech skills to operate. They also have many features such as free images and videos that you can use to create your videos. Other sites where you can find free clips and photos are Pixabay and Pexels. Find the images and video clips that are relevant to your topic and create an awesome video. If you don't want to record the videos yourself, these video editors allow you to create videos from other people's content by picking their ideas and making them your own. They give you a platform and tools that you can take advantage of to make high-quality, watch-worthy videos, all without showing your face, and earns you a lot of money when you get monetized. Number 4. Copy scripts from other creators. In addition to not showing your face, you can create videos and earn money online without having to write the script yourself. This is by copying other creators' scripts and rewriting them in your own style. This can allow you to have a script to read from on the voiceover. To get someone else's script, go to Google and search for YouTube subtitles. You'll get tons of results, most of which are fast and work very well. Choose the one you're most comfortable with and drop the URL to the original video. The subtitle tool will upload your script in text form, and you can copy-paste it to Drive or MS Word to edit it. It is important to note that the script you uploaded is not yours, and you are just borrowing it from someone else. This means that you can't use the same script that has been used in another video. You need to rewrite or reword the script to make it your own. You can get in serious trouble for plagiarism, which can kill your dreams of making money online from making videos. Once you've created a new version of the original script, you can use your voiceover on the images you choose and create videos without your face appearing on camera. Number 3. Create faceless and voiceless videos. We're sure you're wondering how that happens, and we will tell you in just a moment. But first, what are faceless and voiceless videos? These are videos that don't show your face or use any type of voice. Most type of videos like this are tutorials, how-to videos, and music videos. For example, we are sure you have seen the relaxation videos that have become massively popular on YouTube. These types of videos do not have faces or voices and only use music and images or clips. A channel such as Yellow Brick Camera offers live, relaxing music and has 5.74 million subscribers with estimated earnings of $82.6 thousand a month, according to Social Blade. And because Social Blade stats are usually lower, the channel could be earning more than that, all without using a face or a voice. If you're camera shy, these types of videos can work wonders for you because you get to do what you love and earn money from it, which can end your broken status pretty quickly. Number 2. Create compilation videos. A compilation channel is an idea of creating a video based on other people's channels, which is one of the best ways you can make money without showing your face because you're not recording or creating videos yourself. Compilation videos are made by creating a montage video that has been extracted from different parts of popular videos in a particular niche. For example, you can pick epic fails or funny memes from different creators and make a compilation video from it. Compilation videos are popular and attract a lot of views. This means that you don't have to show your face or even use your voice to create videos, and can just pick different segments of other people's videos and compile them into one video. You can make a lot of money from this and have a lot of fun doing it. It is worth mentioning that it's illegal to take those segments from other people's videos without explicit permission from them or without the use of a fair use license. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Use blogs to make videos. This idea is almost similar to copying scripts from other creators, but with a twist. Instead of using another creator's script, which we might add could potentially end up earning a YouTube strike, you could pick articles from around the web and use them as your scripts. This makes creating videos easier for you because you don't have to come up with the topics or write the script yourself. But it is important to note that using someone else's content doesn't mean that you copy and paste the exact words. YouTube takes plagiarism very seriously, and you could be permanently banned from using the platform. To use someone else's article, you need to copy-paste it to your editor, such as Drive or Word, and edit it. You can change the wording of the article completely to make the article completely original to you and the viewers. To make it more unique and non-spun, you can take segments from different articles and merge them to create your own unique content. Then use free images and clips to make unique videos that don't show your face. This makes your work super easy, and you can create viral videos that don't have your face anywhere and start earning that money. It is super important to note that using someone else's content without their permission is an offense that is punishable by getting strikes or being banned from the platform. Reword the articles completely so that YouTube does not detect any plagiarism, and use fair license images to create videos that suit your niche without showing your face. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one, See you there.